Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's design, we are going to create a birthday flyer. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. This is the design we are designing. I will start afresh. So I'll touch this default background here, and this thing will come out. Then I'll touch this later here, delete this thing. Now I'll change the background, it's clean. Click OK. Then go to gallery. Let's go and import the picture we're working with here. Okay. We go to our remove BG. Cut the picture here. You see the picture does not have any background because I've taken out the background. Now click OK here. Just touch this thing like this. Use this relative position. Touch this center one here. This center one. And it will come to the center. Okay. Then go and lock this thing so that it will not move. Now we now put in the text for this. Then I just want to finish this text now. Put the day. I spirited this birthday just this way. So now I'll go and rebold this. Click on bold. This thing is now on board. Also with this one, okay. But before we do that, let's change the font for this one. We are using this calligraphic sunshine. That's the name of the font we are using. Calligraphic sunshine. We click on the bold here also. Then change the font to this. The font should be this lemon milk. Should use this one. Then we send them to the back. Increase the size of this way. Increase the size of this one and this one. Change the font for this. We use lemon milk also. Bold. Then send them to the back. Send this one to the back also. This is good. So move it just this way, touch this happy, then move it up a little bit, reduce the size. Set this way. So we want to change the color of this bed to green. It should be a very light green. Should be this type of green. Okay, this is the color here. Click OK. Then copy this. Edit this. Bring this one down here. Send this to the back. Then bring this here. So this is it. Now move this up and reduce size. Okay, so I'll copy this name, copy this name here, put it here. This is the date. I use relative position. Touch this place. This is the center place here. I will now reduce the size. Then I will go to spacing. Spacing, I will space this to the highest. This way. Then I will go back to my relative position again. I will touch this place. So this is it. I will now go and get the flowers for this. Search from here, flower, and this will come out. This is the one we used. Click, good. You see this flower has transparent background. I'll use our erase color. Touch the erase color and increase the tolerance. Increase the tolerance a little bit. Okay, this is it. Keep this one here. Then copy. Turn this thing this way. Keep this one here. So this is it. This is how I got that design. But now let's reduce the size of this. Then we'll also use spacing for this one. is good. Okay, so this is it. This is how I created that design with my phone. So if you have any question, you drop it on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, and see you next time in my next video.